Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my GK class. Today, we are here to learn origin questions. So, let's see what are these. This is page number 8 of our GK part, children. Origin question. Look at the pictures. They are of things that are either made by humans, in bracket it is written M, that is man-made, or natural, in bracket N for natural. Tick M if it is the first and N if it is the second. First means man-made and N, that is the second one, natural. Now children, what is man-made and what is natural? For example, see the first picture, forest. Now, forest is given here, M and N. M is for man-made thing and N is for natural thing. What is man-made thing? Something which is made by man. For example, the chair in which we are sitting right now. What is that? That is a man-made thing. Someone has made it because we need a chair to sit on. So we made a chair. And now for writing you need also a table. So we made a table also because we need it. So according to our needs, we made different things. Who made? We. Who? That is man. So that is called man-made things. The things made by man. Now here the picture is given by forest. Now is forest made by man? We can plant some of the plants here and there like in our garden. But what about forest? It is such a big thing. And every plant cannot be planted by man. Okay, so forest is a natural thing. It is not made by man. It is made by God. And the thing made by God, we call it as natural. It is a natural thing. It is not made by man. So forest, you will mark it as N. You will take the N part, that is natural. Natural thing. Okay. Now come to the second one. Here is a picture of bridge given. Now where we make bridge? Where sea is there, sea, lake or something like that. Okay, now this sea is not made by man. It is a natural thing. It is a very large area covered with water that is made by God. That is a natural thing. But what is written here? Bridge. So we are talking about bridge. Now a large area which is covered with water. That is a natural thing. Now someone wants to go from one place to another. They want to go to the other side of the sea. Then what we can do? We cannot cross through the water. Yes, we can cross with the help of boat, right? But if we don't want to use the boat, then what we have to do? We have to make a bridge over that so that we can cross that river, sea or anything, right? That is covered with water. So now again, according to our need, man made this bridge over the sea, right? So bridge is a man-made thing. Okay, so we have to tick here M, that is man-made thing. Understood, children? Sea is not made by man, but according to our needs, the man wanted to go from one side to other, so man made bridge over the sea. So who made the bridge? Man. So bridge is a man-made thing. Understood? Okay. Now come to the third one. Road. Here's a picture of road given here. Road. So like children, this forest was there. Okay. In the forest you cannot go everywhere. Trees are there. At some places the forests are so thick that you are not able to walk because there is no space to walk there. So what man will do? Man will make a road over there. Why? Because we want to go from one place to another. Okay, so again according to our needs, man made a road. Why? Because he wanted to walk over there. He wanted to go from one place to another. And I cannot go in the forest. Can you drive a car in the forest? No. So we need a road for driving to go from one place to another. So we made road. Who made road? Man. So road is a man-made thing. So we are going to tick M. Okay. Now what is our next picture? Lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Now as discussed already, water bodies are not made by man. It is made by God. That is, it is a natural thing. So lake is a natural thing. We are going to tick N here. If we want to go from one side to another, then we will make a bridge like this. Then bridge will be a man-made thing, but lake is natural thing. Lake is not made by man. Okay. Now see the last picture. Hill, hill. Hill is again a natural thing. Hill is a very big thing and we cannot make it. It is made by God. It is a natural thing. Okay. Now again, if we want to go from one part of the hill to the other part, then we can make something over there, or inside we can make a tunnel, or we can make a road over there so that we can go from one place to another. Then that will be a man-made thing. But hill is not a man-made thing. Hill is a natural thing. So you are going to tick N here. Okay.
So this was all for today, children. Thank you.